Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are gonna get a ton of cleaning done. I was preparing to go on a little vacation with my kids, so I wanted to get the house clean before we left. That's just something that I like to do. It's easier for me to just clean the house, so when we come back home from a trip we can just dive right back into our routine. Comment down below and say hi so I know that you were here, and I hope you guys are ready for some extreme cleaning motivation. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload the dishwasher and then do some of my dishes that I needed to get done. Let me know if you guys are ready for fall season. If you've been a part of my channel for a while, you've been a subscriber for a long time, you know I love this time of year, getting into fall and winter and all that fun stuff that goes with it. So I'm very excited, and I'm going to be putting out some fall decorating videos very, very soon. Let me know if you decorate for fall, and when do you plan on decorating? We did go to Washington and visit family. That was the trip I was preparing for with the kids. We had a blast. We went to the ocean. Lots of fun. If you're over on my Instagram, you might have saw that in my Instagram stories. We had a huge change this past week, and officially Isaiah, my oldest, has moved out. He is living in student apartments with a couple of his best friends right by his college. I'm really excited for him. It was definitely a bittersweet time for us, and Ava is struggling a little bit with it, so we just have to make a point to make sure we find time to hang out. He's already been by the house, and it's just been a couple of days. A lot of you guys have been a part of my YouTube family for the past 7 years since I started, so a lot of you remember when he was just a little boy, so I felt like I needed to share this family milestone with you guys.
Baby, I can tell it's just for sure. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loved.
So now I wanted to tackle some laundry. I had washed a load and some towels. I wanted to get those put away and then also start a load.
Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. So am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. So am I. We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
Sometimes I have a list or an idea of what I'm gonna clean when I do have like a day that I'm cleaning, but sometimes I just notice things that need to be cleaned, and I definitely needed to dust today.
Some love me like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's
So this is the next day, the day before we leave, and I wanted to do a quick decluttering clean in my closet, or just really a quick cleanup and kind of reorganize it. So that is what we are gonna do.
watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail.
So I already got stocked up on a couple of new fall teas, and I did get these from Tiffany from Small Town 6. That is her Instagram. She is also a YouTuber, so definitely check her out if you're looking for some cute fall or just cute graphic tees.
Planets, watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa. I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need you, 'cause I got high ambitions, a boss vision. I'm granting all my wishes. I don't need you, 'cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I make my own decisions, my lifelong mission, releasing inhibitions. I don't need you to come crawling back to me, to tell me that you're sorry. I'm better now, I'm happy. I don't need you, 'cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't need you,
So in every video I get asked about this bedding, and this is the Amazon Basics brand. We've had this for a couple of years now. We really like it. They have good products, the Amazon Basics. So I will make sure to link it down below. And then the rest of like the throw pillows there and the throw blanket I got from Target. And then that cozy one in the back, I think that was Hobby Lobby.
I don't need you. I don't need you.
All right, you guys, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Comment down below and let me know you guys were here. Also, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.